Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be just a demo of a product. I'm just going to do a separate video for my actual review and opinion on it, just because I don't want the video to be too long. I think I'm not entirely sure that I saw the YouTuber Hazel Goddess use this product. I'm not entirely sure. Don't quote me on that. But the product I'm going to be trying today is the new Jamaican Black Castor Oil Intensive Repair Mask. It's a damage reversal formula infused with 100% pure Jamaican Black Castor Oil. It's supposed to stimulate hair growth, hydrate, repair dry, damaged, brittle hair. It's excellent on all hair types. It has wheat protein, sapphire oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, and linseed oil. So this is what it looks like. This is the container. It is 16 ounces and I got it for $10.49 at the beauty supply store. It's supposed to leave hair softer, healthier, fortified, hydrated, and damage free. So yeah, as you guys know, my hair is bleached and dyed. I bleached it a couple months last year, a couple months back, and then I decided to dye it back black. So this is my hair right now. So I'm just trying, just because my hair, I always go for things for damaged or dry hair, whether my hair was not dyed or bleached. That's what I went for, just because I like my hair to be extra moisturized. I feel like my hair is super dry. Even though it's like a normal level of dryness, I always like the extra moisture. So definitely wanted to try this out. So the directions say, after shampooing with the Sunny Isle Jamaican Black Castor Oil Extra Moisturizer, simply apply a generous amount of the mask to damp hair. Cover with a plastic towel for 10 minutes. Using a wide tooth comb for even distribution, rinse and style. And it says, for more severely damaged, shedding, and dry hair, add the use of a warm dryer for 15 minutes to the conditioning treatment. Yeah, so that's it. I thought it said something else, but I think I'm thinking about something else. So yeah, I'm definitely excited to try this. Let me go ahead and just separate my hair into two sections. I'm just going to do two sections because I don't know where my clips are. So I'm just going to use this band. Okay, so I'll do my initial thoughts and then I'll get into the actual demo. That's tight. So let's see. Come on. It smells like Play-Doh or makeup. That's what it smells like. But as you can see, it is really thick. Ooh, and it's really creamy. So I'm thinking I'm gonna like this product. Hopefully. Wait a little bit. So let me see if I can kind of divide this again. Okay. So I'm just going to take about this much. What does that smell? It smells almost tropical, but it's not. I have my honey mask as a backup just in case my hair does not feel like I want it to feel. I want it to be moisturized. think I'm gonna add some water. Initially, it does not have a lot of slip. I don't know how I'm supposed to tangle with this because it said to do this on like damp hair. So it's really thick. So we're gonna try this, but if it's not working, I'm not finna force this. My hair is already thoroughly detangled from the pre-poo, so but it does not have a lot of slip for me to detangle with a comb. Like, yeah, I can't. I didn't already feel it. Yeah, no. Add more water. Because I don't know what my spray ball is either, guys. That is why I'm just going to the sink. So, like candy or something. As I said, I know I have more shed hair. Prime example. I don't know if you can see it. But this does not have the slip needed. Yeah, so I'm not gonna try to detangle with this product, so yeah. Okay, I'm done. So I'll come back once this is rinsed out, and then stay tuned for the next video where you will see a review. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, you guys. Subscribe.